30 Hudson Yards, is one of the most iconic skyscrapers in New York City, located in the heart of the Hudson Yards development on Manhattan's west side. Completed in 2019, this towering structure is a symbol of modern urban design and luxury. It is part of the largest private real estate project in US history, transforming a former industrial area into a bustling hub of offices, residences, and attractions. The building is best known for its breathtaking observation deck, edge, and its cutting-edge sustainable features. Now, here are 5 interesting facts about 30 Hudson Yards. Number 1. Impressive height. 30 Hudson Yards stands at 1,268 feet, 387 meters tall, making it the 6th tallest building in New York City. It has 73 floors. Number 2. Observation deck. The building features edge, the highest outdoor sky deck in the Western Hemisphere, offering visitors stunning panoramic views of New York City. Number 3. LEED certification. 30 Hudson Yards has earned a LEED Gold Art certification for its environmentally friendly design, highlighting its focus on sustainability and energy efficiency. Number 4. Mixed-use building. This is a multi-purpose building with offices, retail spaces, and restaurants. Major corporations like Warner Media have offices here. Number 5. Part of the Hudson Yards project. The building is part of the larger Hudson Yards development, which is the largest private real estate project in US history, covering 28 acres.